Hello kids, today we will draw a cute flower pot. So let's start. First draw the flower. Draw a big circle, like this. Well done, now draw the flower petals. Draw some small round shape outside. You can also draw the flower petals differently. Just draw some equal and same shape. Look how cute it's looking. Let's count how many petals we draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now draw a straight line. And draw the flower pot. Draw a horizontal line and make it like a box. Make the corner a little curve and it's done. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Draw all side of box. Only make two side of box curvy. Well done, it's looking very cute. Now draw the flower leaves. Make a long oval and connect with the line. Lastly, draw a line inside the flower. Good job! Now draw the other leaf also. Do the same thing and draw the line inside the leaf. Well done, now draw a cute face on the flower pot. Draw a big circle and slowly fill the color. Just do round and round, round and round, and fill the color. Now draw the eyelashes also. Good job! Now draw the other eye also. Draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. You can also draw the eye at the end. Draw the eyelashes, just 2 is enough. Lastly, draw a cute smile. It's looking very cute. Now draw the flower face. Draw the curve and make the eyelashes. Draw the other eye, just like this. Lastly, draw a cute smile, and it's done. It's looking very beautiful, so let's color it. First, color the flower. Use yellow color in the big circle. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Carefully fill the color, and don't color the face. Color the outline, then you will not make any mistake. Now use use light pink color and color the flower petals. Color the outline, then fill the color. Color one petal, then leave the other. Don't color all the petals. Let's count how many we color. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done, it's looking very cute. Now use dark pink color and color the rest of the flower petals. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You can also use different color and make it more cute. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now let's color the leaf. Use green color and slowly fill the color. It's very easy to color. Just color like me and don't color the outline. Good job, now use blue color and color the pot. Color the outline carefully, then you will not make any mistake. Don't color the eyes and mouth. Color the outline of eye, then slowly fill the color. Just color like me and don't make any mistake. If you don't have blue color, you can also use brown color if you want. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, use white color and make the eye shiny. Make a big round shape. Now draw a small round shape and it's done. Do the same thing on the other eye also. Draw 2 white circles and it's done. Lastly, draw some line on the flower pot. Draw some line on both sides and it's done. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how beautiful it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.